So again, I'm going to talk about the other letter. It's a 19th letter, G. It is like in English G, as in gold, bag, gas. And however, it sometimes sounds a little softer depending on the vowel after it. Listen carefully how I pronounce it. G. This is it. Again, it has four different forms. Front connecting. It looks like K. That's why I put it in the same page. You know, sometimes I do it with the similar letters, but there is a difference because it has a little head on top. And middle connecting, back connecting, and a long form. Yeah, it's not exactly the same, but there are some differences. There's a little tail. Okay, for the first front connecting form, gauze. In English, gas, like natural gas, tabi gas, bag. Oh no, what did I do? Sorry. Gazer, sunflower seeds, and the middle connecting, Aygül. See here, Aygül, or Arzgül, or something like uyarge, like bz, onunga, or no. Urumçige, like to somewhere. Like it's also a suffix. Like for example, Londonga. No, it's Urumçi. Well, yeah, gigant maybe as another one. Gigant. Gigant, sorry. Because it's a borrowed word. That's why there's between N and T, there's N and T, there's no vowels. Like gigant means giant. Gigant. So this is the front connecting and E and then the back connecting. And the last, no, the third one, back connecting. Back connecting. Oh, it's hard to find example. Maybe bilik. Bilik, something like it means like I think it's old Uyghur. It means something like knowledge. I can just make up word to just give you an example. Alik. I don't know, like it doesn't make any sense. There's no meaning. I mean, I think it's not a Uyghur word, but maybe someone's name is Ali again, and this is how it's written. Okay, for the last one, the alone form, ge. I think for this, we have examples like bag. It means like a sir, like someone with title, a noble person. Bag, rich person, I guess. Like with, yeah, I think it's political power. Like in Turkish, maybe like bey, like Mr. Beg. For men, yeah, it's used for men, so it's like sir. Beg. Like no, it's not like. Yeah, it's hard to give an example for this as well. Let me see if I can find any example. I don't think so. Again, I'll just make up a word. Egg. Yep. So thank you guys.